What are you guys doing up there? Kimber! Nothing like wrestling on the leafy trampoline. Wet leafy trampoline. The goal is to see how many dogs can we get on the trampoline at a time. This is pretty funny, you guys. Rifle, no. Good boy. Rifle, no. Rifle, no. So there's holes in this net, and Rifle thought he should make the hole bigger. So that's what's going on. Hi, Kimber. Hey, Velocity. Hey, Rifle. Hey, Benelli. Velocity, hi. Hey, Ammo. Ammo, hi. Hey, Chamber. Hey, Beretta. The dogs love being out here. Rifle, no. Rifle! Good boy. You goofball. Look at the doodle girls. They're getting so big and fluffy.